You just shoot Sniffles? That's a shot, Victor, and yes, I did. But he was a good driver. He was repulsive. That nose crust and... Ugh! Not his fault he had a sinus problem. He was getting snot all over everything. Will, now he's getting brains all over everything. Yeah, I hate it when they twitch around like that. And was it me, or did he smell a bit like mayonnaise?
Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars, and let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold